Okay, so para gumanda, taran! Okay. Taran. Oh. Ooh, look at that. So I'm going to put the recipe on the description box so you can follow how I make mine. Hello everyone! Today's video I'm going to share to you how to make the shrimp curry. So this is my version. Kasi iba-iba naman talaga tayo kung paano tayo gumawa ng ating pagkain. Depende talaga yan sa atin kung ano ang pinaglalagay natin sa ating lulutuin. Kaya ito pa paano po magagawa ng shrimp curry. So ito yung mga ingredients guys. So I'm going to show you what's the ingredients for my shrimp curry. Ang shrimp ko nga pala, nililinis ko na yan siya. I'm going to teach you how to clean, how to take out the intestine of the shrimp. I did it before, but I'm going to do it again. So some people are asking how I clean the shrimp. So now, I'm going to teach you in the next video. So you have to watch that one guys, because I'm going to share how I clean, how I take out the intestine of the shrimp without taking out the shell. So I like the shrimp, they are still in the shell. So I'm going to show you what's the ingredients for my shrimp curry. Okay guys, so this is my shrimp. So I'm the only one who eat this shrimp curry because Bob don't want to eat. Bob has a burger and hash brown. That's the only one that he's going to eat for today's lunch. Okay, so I have carrots and potato. I already soak with water, and I have eggplant. I soak with water and salt, so it will not really getting darker. Meron din tayo ditong cabbage at saka bell pepper and green, red and yellow, red and green. Okay, so this is the ingredients, guys. And I have the ready-made coconut milk, so it's okay. I don't have enough time to go in the market. So I have paprika, I have hot chili powder. So I like to make a little bit spicy. Tomato, ginger, onions, and garlic. So we are going to go outside because we are going to cook outside as you always guys. I'm always cooking outside. So let's go guys. Start cooking. Okay. Oil. We fry the onion, oh no, carrots and potato. Add pepper. Okay guys, this one is pwede na siyang tanggalin. Set aside. Oh, okay. Start the ginger. Tabi ang ginger. Isunod ang garlic. Okay, yan. Pinagahon na natin. And isit aside. Ilagay ang onion. Isunod ang tomato. So, maglalagay tayo ng I'm using curry powder. So, masarap na siya, maamoy na. Lalagay na natin yung ating shrimp. Maglalagay tayo ng chili. So, depende sa inyo kung mahili kayo sa maanghang, dagdagan nyo. Lalagay tayo ng paprika. Okay. So, hindi tayo gagamit ng salt. Gagamit tayo ng patis. Okay. Sarap mga amoy. Patis na patis. Okay. I think may ano curry powder is enough. Maglalagay tayo ng pepper. Yan, leave it steamer until 5 minutes. Okay. So, ang ganda ng kulay. Saka mabango siya, guys. I'm sure that it's so yummy. So, ayoko naman na lutong-luto yung shrimp. So, maglalagay na tayo ng ating coconut milk. Wala pala akong ano. Diba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Maybe 1 is enough. I think so. Sarap ng amoy. Yan. Tama na yan. Hindi ko na siya dadagdagan. Sarap ng amoy, guys. Look at that. Okay? So, pagkatapos yan, ilalagay nyo yung potato. And then, ilalagay nyo yung talong. Madali lang naman maluto yung mga gulay na yan kasi pinarito na natin yung ating carrots and potatoes. So, mabigat na. Ang dami. How can I finish this one? Maybe 3 days. 3 days again. 1. Okay. Look at that. Diba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Tikman natin kung ano ng lasa. Spicy a little bit, but the patis is good enough. Okay, so we're going to add the bell pepper and then the cabbage. So that's I told you guys that my version of my shrimp curry is different from yours. So, in every people, iba-iba tayo ng paniniwala sa ating pagluluto. Iba-iba rin tayo ng panglasa. Kaya, depende sa inyo yun kung paano nyo gagawin yun. Ayan, ito paano ako gumawa. Oh, di ba napakaganda? So, yan, kunting ano na lang yan. Ayan, kunting... Diba? Napakaganda ng aking shrimp curry. Ayan. Kunting ano na lang yan siya. Maluluto na yan. So, hayaan muna natin yan siya dyan. Mag-enjoy ka muna ng katitin niya. So my food is ready. Look at that. Urong-urong natin ng konti. Okay na, so it's time to add in our plate, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you how I put in my plate. So we are going to plating a little bit. But it's very simple. The way you are doing it. When you are going to transfer it, your plate. Okay? It's very simple. Yeah. It's very simple. But look at that. Still crunchy, our vegetables. Okay? Okay, so now, look at that. So we need to add more on. Okay. Look at that. So, okay. Okay. Yeah. Look at that. What can you see? What can you say about this? Anong masasabi nyo, guys? Okay, so para gumanda, taran! Okay. Taran. Oh. Ooh, look at that. It's very good. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put the recipe on the description box so you can follow how I make my shrimp curry. Okay? So let's do it, guys. Look at that. It's very it's very colorful. And I'm sure it's delicious. Look at that. Oh, that's so yummy. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.